Residents of Mountainside, I am Mayor Paul Mirabelli with an update on the COVID-19 epidemic. I think it is important to continue to thank all the doctors, nurses, and other medical support staff who are on the front lines of fighting to save lives from COVID-19. These people are truly heroes. They risk their own lives in order to save lives. They miss time from their families so that they can protect your families from this terrible disease. They are to be commended for their heroic efforts. I want to also thank our first responders, the Mountainside Police Department, the Fire Department, and most importantly, our EMTs and Rescue Squad. They must all be commended for the sacrifice and their dedication in continuing to be on the front lines in the fight against COVID-19. Again, I want to recognize the Mountainside Cares program, who as of April 23rd have raised $24,500, have spent $18,000, and with the support of our local business owners, delivered 2,237 meals to feed doctors, nurses, medical support staff, police, fire, and EMS departments over the last 30 days. Amazing. The businesses that have contributed are Basilico, Mosaico, Tarantella's, O'Brien's, Famous Dave's, Bavella's, Public House, Mazzella's, Crohn's, Mountainside Deli, Madison Bagel, Salad House, and Grain, Allen's Deli, Doria's, Zappia's, and Chiaffi's of Union. These are all Mountainside businesses or owned by Mountainside residences. Please support these businesses. They are all open for pickup and takeout orders. Some offer delivery. Check their website. Mountainside Cares has also provided home-cooked meals for our rescue squad and fire department. In addition, our community, through Mountainside Cares, has donated many truckloads of snacks, drinks, and almost 500 boxes of Girl Scout cookies to Overlook and Trinitas Hospital and the Mountainside First Responders and Trinitas Foundation. Great job, Mountainside Cares. If you want to make a monetary donation to support Mountainside Cares, you can do so through Venmo at Amy-Raddick. Please continue to support this wonderful program, which is a great example of the support Mountainside has shown for hospital personnel and first responders. Programs like Mountainside Cares demonstrate how lucky we are to live in such a generous community like Mountainside. Our senior meals program also continues to thrive. On Monday, Basilico served 110 meals. On Wednesday, O'Brien served 95 meals. The total meals delivered to date is 1,224. What a great job. On Friday, April 24th, Vicky's Diner is offering glazed ham, roasted potatoes, a vegetable and chicken soup for $10. On Saturday, April 25th, Mosaico is offering a New York strip steak with vegetable risotto for $10. On Monday, April 27th, Doria's is offering baked ziti with a side salad for $10. On Wednesday, April 29th, Zappia's is offering chicken franchise, mashed potatoes, and spinach for $10. On Friday, May 1st, Shaylin's Crossing is offering chicken parmesan and a salad for $10. All these meals sound delicious. Any seniors interested can contact Kim Moriak at 908-812-4434. Kim is also coordinating a food shopping plan with Stop and Shop in Westfield so seniors do not have to go to the store. This program also includes volunteers who can pick up prescriptions. Right now, there are 98 seniors and 54 volunteers who participate in these programs. I want to personally thank all of the wonderful volunteers and the businesses who are contributing to these programs. This is the type of community spirit that will get us through this crisis. I am sure that many of you have seen the rainbow lawn signs of hope and gratitude. Thanks to the community's generosity, Overlook Auxiliary has raised enough money to purchase a Xenix sterilization machine for Overlook Hospital. They continue to sell signs, and the proceeds will be used to meet other Overlook Hospital needs during this pandemic. To purchase a sign, visit www.events.constantcontact.com or www.oaux.org. Purchasing these signs not only raises money to purchase new equipment, but the signs show healthcare workers and other essential workers the level of respect, admiration, and generosity the community feels for them. All Mountainside parks and fields are still closed at this time. And fortunately, I cannot reopen the fields for any purpose because since the schools remain closed, the fields must remain closed. In order to keep safe when walking on the streets, you should always walk facing the traffic, and please do not text while you are walking. Let's keep safe when we are exercising. I want to also announce that Union County will commence paving of New Providence Road from Mountain Avenue to Route 22. I was on the road today. It looks like they've already started. It is anticipated that it will take 5 days, and there will be full road closures from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. each day. In addition, Union County will commence paving W.R. Tracy Drive from New Providence Road to Glenside Avenue tomorrow. It is anticipated that it will take 6 days with full road closures from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Please adjust your travel plans accordingly. With respect to construction projects in Mountainside, the following projects are permitted pursuant to Governor Murphy Executive Order. 1. Projects already underway, provided they involve single-family homes with construction crews of 5 persons or less. 2. Emergency repairs. 3. Any project that is ordered or contracted by a county or municipal government. And 4. Residential projects designated as affordable housing projects. There are other projects that are permitted, but there are currently no such projects in Mountainside. Assembly Minority Leader John Bramnick has provided a memo entitled Navigating Unemployment, which provides important information about unemployment eligibility and other frequently asked questions. This memo was posted on the official Mountainside website and Facebook page. In addition, the New Jersey Department of Labor has created a new portal that allows New Jersey residents to contact the Department of Labor directly in connection with their unemployment applications. Residents can go to www.myunemployment.nj.gov, scroll down to Need Help, choose Send an Email, and submit an email with the new online form. Our Planning Board attorney, the chairman of the Planning Board, borough engineer, and borough administrator are working on scheduling virtual Planning Board meetings that comply with the Open Public Meeting Acts. The first meeting should be scheduled in May. This past Tuesday, we adopted the 2020 municipal budget, and despite any potential loss of revenue due to COVID-19, the municipal tax increase on the average assessed house in Mountainside will only be $13.91. With respect to positive tests in Mountainside, since Thursday night, there has been one additional resident who tested positive for COVID-19, which brings the total to 50 as of 10 a.m. this morning. It looks like social distancing is working. However, now more than ever, we need to double down our efforts to stop the spread and flatten the curve. I urge all Mountainside residents to cooperate in order to protect themselves, our families, and our community. At Manor Care, there are 4 new patients with confirmed positive tests for COVID-19, which brings the total to 26. with no new deaths due to COVID-19. At Brighton Garden, there was one new patient that tested positive for COVID-19 for a total of 13 with no new deaths due to COVID-19. The New Jersey Department of Health has created a website that you can access to get specific information on any long-term health facility. The website is, and it's a long one, www.state.nj.us/healthcare facility/document. Hold on 1 minute. It is a long one, like I said. _facilities_outbreak_list.pdf. It is extremely important that we continue to practice social distancing and wear a mask or other face covering when you are in public. This is not a suggestion. It is each resident's civic duty to provide social distancing and wear a mask. I call on all parents to set a proper example and practice social distancing at all times. Our children will do what we do. Also, parents must make sure when children and parents interact with each other, they maintain proper social distancing. The crisis is not over, and we must continue to battle this terrible disease. Please try to remain calm. I am confident that we will get through this, but only if we work together and each do our part, especially with maintaining proper social distancing. We must continue to be strong, be safe, and not let our guard down. If possible, stay at home. Only go to the grocery store and pharmacy if necessary. If you must go, wear a mask or face covering. When shopping and standing in line, customers should keep 6 feet between themselves and other patrons and staff. Individuals should not enter a retail facility or interact with anyone if they have symptoms consistent with COVID-19, such as a fever or cough, or have been diagnosed with COVID-19, or are undergoing a quarantine for potential exposure to COVID-19. Again, wear a mask when you go out, even if you feel healthy. This will help stop the spread to others who are most vulnerable. If you have been diagnosed with COVID-19, you must quarantine yourself, even from other family members, until your healthcare provider tells you it is safe to interact with other people. It is everyone's community duty to maintain social distancing and to stop the spread and flatten the curve. Mountainside can win this battle no matter where you are. Please remember to check on neighbors and our senior residents, which I know many residents have already been doing. Practice social distancing, wash your hands, and try not to touch your face. These practices will save lives, but only if everyone, young and old, adhere to them. To end on a positive note, Max Spivak, an enthusiastic resident, has organized the Mountainside Travel Car Show to provide our community with a bit of cheer. It is a car show that comes to you. A group of over 50 cars, along with the EMS, fire, and police, will be driving through our town, showing off their rides on Saturday, April 25th, starting around 11 a.m. The organizers had so many willing participant cars that they had to split the group in two. One will cover roads northeast of Old Tote, the other southwest and northwest of Old Tote. Check the Facebook event page for Mountainside Travel Car Show or email max@maxspivak.com to get more details on the ride, or just keep an eye out on Saturday between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. They will try and reach as many houses as possible, but of course some streets cannot accommodate that many vehicles. Please support this car show and show your appreciation for healthcare workers, first responders, and other essential workers, and the respect and admiration and gratitude that our community feels for them by making and displaying signs of support along the parade route. Applause and cheers are also expected. This event will only be successful if the participants and residents wear masks and practice social distancing measures for the event. Let's have some fun. Be safe. God bless all of you, and God bless Mountainside. Thank you.